Unprecedented, uncertain, unparalleled. All words that succinctly describe 2020 and now should be retired from the English language altogether. When I was sworn in as mayor in 2019, none of us knew what was to come, nor was there a guide on how to navigate it. However, reflecting on this past year, I am proud of how our East Grand Rapids community responded to the pandemic and all the challenges it brought with it. I witnessed residents, neighbors, and community members serving one another in incredible, selfless ways. I also saw an outpouring of support for our schools and businesses as they adapted time and time again to restrictions aimed at stopping the spread of COVID-19. I am beyond proud to represent and lead a city whose default response to crisis is simply to take care of one another. Let's keep it up in 2021. City staff also pivoted in response to the pandemic, focusing on essential services. Please know you, your health, safety, and quality of life are the city's top priorities, and your engagement is incredibly important to us. Our public safety and public works teams reached significant milestones in 2020. Our Public Safety Department was accredited by the Michigan Law Enforcement Accreditation Commission, becoming only the 25th agency in the state to earn this designation. And our Public Works Department reached the city's PASER goal of 70% of streets rated good or excellent 5 years early. We were happy to provide virtual meeting options for City Commission meetings, which we will continue to do so. And we were grateful for your participation in several public safety and public works engagement sessions and feedback opportunities. These conversations were and continue to be critical to the betterment of our community. The entire city team was successful in reducing costs throughout the pandemic. Parks and Recreation specifically stepped up as programming guidelines evolved. They also provided creative ways for community members to stay active, keep up with their mental health, and make use of our beautiful parks. We were also able to safely host a modified 4th of July parade and concerts and movies in the park, providing us with a sense of normalcy in the most unusual year we've ever seen. I want to thank residents for acting on their civic duty and showing up for the presidential election. East Grand Rapids had a record-breaking participation rate of 92%. I want to extend a special thank you to our election workers who worked hard to administer a safe election. Of course, I'm very excited to welcome Shay Charles as our new city manager this month. The commission, city staff, and I are looking forward to working with him and continuing to improve our community. As we push forward amid the pandemic and continue to help one another in our community, I wish you a healthy, happy, and much brighter 2021.